So my girls just went into the #1 Turkish carpet store. I'm not doing it. Last time I did this in Morocco, I left with a... She's trying to convince me. It's not happening. No, I'm good. I'm straight.
1 minute later.
So much for me saying I wasn't going to get in here.
This is what we do. We take two using silk on this one. The silk is very strong. You cannot even break this. That's actually the knife. So that's
Diva.
and the advantage is when you walk in the living, it never comes out. So that really increases durability, and that's why we can do it. So after completing each row of knots, the basic process is the same, and she's putting the weft, the horizontal thread to lock the line, and then she uses this to tie it. And then after she ties it, then she's going to use a scissor, like this one, and she cut that off.
Oh, Dad, how are you feeling right now?
I'm not feeling the best about my confidence. I had pretty good skills of saying no, but our wonderful guide convinced me to come back into this place. And I said I would never, ever, ever come back. Ever. Remember how they held us captive in Morocco? They wouldn't let us leave.
Yep, I literally just said that too.
And he offered us an $18,000 rug for $6,000, and I thought he'd be offended when we left. He's like, "No, sir, I'll take it."
He kind of like hustled you. It was probably worth like
Those are all the stories I'm hearing right now. It won't happen.
There's zero chance we leave here today without her buying something. There's no chance. There's zero chance. This guy's a great sales guy too, by the way.
Could we get like a runner for...
Sure, Jess, whatever you need.
Not yet, we will get there first. Let's find the right, feel
I will
comfortable.
start from higher price.
Yeah.
But we can do that fair to fair.
Let's look at what we like first.
Okay. Nice.
They're asking billions of dollars.
I'm gonna hire you. I'm gonna hire you to sell software.
I'm in a very good position in the world.
Haklısın ya. 3 tane kızım var. Sırtıya gel. Girls come on in.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here. Don't you start too. You of all people, Emily. You of all people should be on my side.
No.
It's on right now. It's recording.
Hey, Dad, come in, come in. You're gonna get PTSD.
What? What?
We have dogs.
Oh, this looks familiar.
None of that is problem.
Oh,
PTSD.
oh look out.
On top of it.
Because they're both natural fiber, you can use them in any kind of tapestry.
Yeah, this is it. We're back in Morocco. This is exactly it. No, this is Morocco.
This is like shopping.
This is
Not a fan of that. I like these.
He's doing this on purpose.
how much?
It's 2,800.
How about 2,600?
Oh, what about 3,000?
2,500.
Deal.
Get in here. All right, let's get it done. The team did it. We closed it out today. Good work. Good work.
He's like, okay.
Good work. We did it. Get back in here, Jess. We did it.
Got him again.
Got me again.
You know the easiest client
Got your ass.
Yeah.
It happened. Said it wouldn't happen. It just happened. Spent a small fortune on some rug. Just happened. But I got free Coke Zero out of it. So it's all good. See you. See you, sir. Goodbye.
geliyor.
This is the Grand Bazaar here. So the hits just keep coming. So I'm currently in a secret spot here in Istanbul. Literally, you had to knock on this door with security. They took you downstairs, and essentially we're in a high-end luxury Nordstrom-like place, but it's all knockoffs and fake, but still expensive. I don't know how I get wrapped into this stuff, but check this out. No, no, no. 5 minutes till we're leaving.
It's a cute little movie.
Olivia's negotiating her first purse. Here comes the price.
Most here. This
No, she wants this one. She wants this one for sure.
okay, 450.
Ask him, what are you gonna say?
I can't. Can you?
She wants to ask you, is that her best price? Is that your best price?
Trust me, it's almost my cost price. No worry about the price. We never sell Chanel in this store. We never sell less than $700. They use it. And this one normally $750. I ask $450, especially for you.
What do you think?
400?
Do you think it's good price?
She said, can you do it for 400?
She didn't say it.
Yes, she did. I just heard her. I recorded it. She just said, can you do it for 400?
Is it? Did you ask her?
Yeah.
See? If you don't ask, you don't get. Now you need to shake hands with him. You need to shake hands.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a good deal, huh? Fatih. 1, 2,
Her first sale. So it looks like a normal store. Until you go in the basement. Where all the bootlegs are in the basement.
He's also shopping there. Are you interested in any of these? Girls, everyone? You're good?
If you like to see, we do have also very special designer scarf collection too. Can I just show you what this is?
Nope. Oops, I've done it again. We went to this bazaar where I thought it would be like buying $1 trinkets, and we ended up spending $5 grand on stuff. I'm not a good negotiator. I almost tripped. You saw that on TV. Not good. Because walking through the gate.
Or like
Yeah.
$3. Wear it, throw it, don't bring it back. You know, these kind of things around here.
Looks like we're walking through one of these spice markets here. This is cool. Yeah.
2 streets. Be careful with the steps.
Okay. Right on.
Here you go.
Nice. We'll come back. Hi.
It's just mini.
Say hi.
This was where the Hoja used to go.
Who used to go up there?
On Fridays, he used to go up here and pray for good shopping and good money, good health. But they also sell nuts and so on. That's pastrami. I will take them inside, one of them, just so that you can feel. All real gold.
We're in the spice market from the 1600s.
I will. Can you walk in?
Yeah, of course I can.
Spices. Is there a spice you're looking for, maybe just to buy just for the fun of it?
Not really. I don't know. Is there a maybe?
Can you eat?
I'm reading.
Which one do you want?
5, 10, 15, 20 grams. Here cheaper because the Europe this one very expensive. 1 gram about 30.
We'll do Iranian.
Iranian the same.
Okay, well, let's do that.
Excuse me.
Let's do that. I like that. Let's do that. Let's do the Iranian one,
No,
man.
but I told you this one Iranian. I show you how is it. Then we have 5 gram, then 10 gram, 15 gram, 20 gram, 30 gram. Look, when you buy then here 5, 6 gram, outside Turkey no possible for 1 gram. Because then outside you sell this much. 1 point you sell.
Let's do that.
Which one do you want?
The Iranian stuff.
The Iranian, but which gram? You have.
Whoa!
Yes.
More sinuses.
Whoa!
It's gorgeous.
Woo! That does it, man.
Yes, you go with this, brother.
I put the feet.
Oh, thanks, brother. Woo!
Teşekkür ederiz. Ayağına sağlık.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Assalamu alaikum.
Aleykümselam.
Did you see the response?
Yep.
Görüşmek üzere.
That's fantastic.
Tamam, trafik var. Biz Mısır Çarşısı'ndan çıktık. Süper bir şey yaptık o zaman. Evet, evet. Otele gittiler. Curry ve Süleymaniye Mosque. With your left side. No. That one is Süleymaniye. This is Rüstem Paşa Mosque. They're both built by the same architect. For the Sultan, and that's for the son-in-law.
Oh my gosh. For the Sultan and the son-in-law. We're gonna play a game called Am I in New York or not? Check this out. Back in our chariots.
Another banger, baby, calm down. Baby, gon' give me your lo 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 wo 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 wo. You got me like wo 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 wo. Shawty gon' give me your lo 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 wo 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 wo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my divine situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally, I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I go for one? Then I start to feel a bum bum one.
All right, this is super cool. We were going up the Bosphorus, we just rented a boat, and we saw awesome dolphins just just playing outside the boat. When I think of dolphins, I think of Miami. I don't think of the Bosphorus Strait between the Black Sea and the Aegean Sea. But I guess dolphins are here too. Check it out.
Make you cry when I'm moving around you. Do it once, do it twice. I push back, you hold me tight. Get a taste for a night. Baby, show me you can calm down, calm down. Dance with
Eva? Amy?
Favorite thing of the day?
One favorite thing.
Ice cream. Ice cream? I already said right now. What about you?
I think right now is pretty awesome. We got our own little boat here going up the Bosphorus. And we saw dolphins. Let's keep looking for them.
As me I wake up, now she did my mind don't walk. Day one, day two, one of you folk go us. Now so me I go down, see me willing go walk. Got my hand on your heart now, I can feel it race. If I leave, then you say you can never love again. Wanna give you it all, but can't promise that I'll stay. And that's a risk you take. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh.
Dang! It's like a party boat. Woo! Hold on to your wings.
Shawty gon' give me a lo, 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 oh, 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 oh,
Tuckle. Time for the tuckle. Now's the time, girls, we tell her. You ready?
Adopted.
You are adopted. Yeah, you are.
Look at you.
You're totally adopted.
Then what was mom pregnant with in 2012?
Not you. Not you. Pickle. Oh! She just got some nuts. She just got some nuts.
I'll do it hard. Stop.
Cats.
Aw. Fine, Emmy. Fine. Be like that.
I couldn't be there, even when I tried.
Eva, get your butt.
Oh, here.
And then you see it. I will fart on your pillow before you go to bed. Do not. I hope you recorded that. Send that piece to Frank. Post that, and I will end you.
What happened? You farted?
Send that she little fart on my pillow. I would never. Girls don't fart.
Kick her butt, Liv. I bet Livia could beat you up.
Stop. Something going overboard.
Hopefully, Eva.
I hope you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna end up flashing the camera so you can't post.
Feeling that it's time to let go. I said so. I knew that this was doomed from the get-go. You thought that it was special, special, but it was just special, special, and I still hit it.
What's going on?
Jump on Amy.
Whisper something in your ear.
Ew.
No, it's good.
Angle.
Don't do it so fast. Slow.
pretty, Emily. Oh my god, stop!
It's the most beautiful girl in the world. This place kind of reminds me of San Francisco and New York in a Muslim Islamic environment. Lots of hills. The houses kind of look like San Francisco back in the day. Kind of looks like New York. But it's the largest city in Europe. You guys, right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no, Lolo.
When we dance in my living room.
What's up, bro?
Till that silly 90s R&B. When we have a drink or three.
It's the Winter Palace. Right. Excuse me. Winter
What'd you do
Palace.
to me?
Winter Palace.
Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. As long as you're with me, you'll be just fine. Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. Nothing's gonna take
Hey,
Animal.
stop.
She's like animal. Muppets.
Yeah, I'm sure I said it. I'll punch you there.
Ah, karate chop. Got her by the nose. Tickle her. Give her the tuckle. Her news. There's no such thing as a nose. It's her news. Prayer time. Call to prayer.
Now I lay me down to sleep. Pray the Lord, my soul.
Oh my God! Look at Olivia. Grandpa Greg would laugh so hard.
My prayer, love. We just saw some dolphins in this Lotus Sea. They were having fun. The water's pretty clean here. I don't know if you can tell or not. The lighting. It's pretty awesome.